Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn the DAX time function of second. We will create a new column next to this column and extract seconds from the date and time column. Click on the new column icon and type the DAX formula for second. I will name my column as DAX second and write the formula equal to second and select the table date and time from drop-down. We have now extracted seconds number from the date and time column. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel to get regular updates and check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.